wine is always good. I'm Joan.
I'm Harry. Where are we coming from today, Joan?
Koh Samui, Thailand. Have you ever wondered what those green lights were all about when you're in Thailand and there's massive green lights everywhere you look from the mainland all over the
You're talking
bay?
about nighttime when it looks like a green monster out there.
Yes, yes. In fact, from space you can see them on satellites.
Yes, I've always wondered that. So, in today's video, we will introduce the island of Samui, and especially its abundant squid fishing industry. It's going to be. Stay tuned. We're here. We're coming right back at you.
Yeah.
The darkness, the boats, first they light up white lights and then they head out into the dark. Dark, dark, dark. And the green lights light up and then the squid come from the very black bottom and up to come and take a look, and then they're caught. Then.
Squid fishing is one of the biggest industries on this island. And squid is eaten all over the world. Calamari, like there is a huge industry.
Right. And here it's massive.
Yeah, it is huge.
Absolutely. Ciao.
Ciao.
You know, during the day we have this massive TV screen in front of us. It's like, and it changes all the time.
Right.
But when it rains, it pours here. Let me tell you, it comes down big time. But when we're waiting for the ships are out there waiting, but then comes the sunset, right?
Yeah, and then we experience the sunset in the meantime while we're waiting for the night to come. And the ships are waiting out there, and we see the airplanes come down to the airport, passing through, and we're getting ready for the night.
And then waiting for the green monster to appear, right?
Yeah, we're getting ready for the night of squidding.
Well, you know, people say you got to go out on these squid boats to experience real squidding, but you know what? It's a good thing to do, and it's lots of fun, I'm sure. But Joan and me, we've decided that we have a fishmonger called Lay. He's just down. And
down the hill.
Yeah, and he has all the squid, the tiny squid, the baby squid, and the calamari squid, and you name it. The baby squid you can eat sashimi style.
Yeah.
And it's unbelievable.
Very good.
It is totally. That's where we go.
Fresh every day.
Every day.
Yeah, and he's got a family business there. He supplies the island.
Absolutely.
He supplies the local restaurants, resorts.
Amazing.
Hotels.
He always has something waiting for us.
And he's always got something fresh for us every day.
Ciao.
Ciao. history. Siam is the old name for Thailand, and it was renamed Thailand in, I think it was around 1939. The reasoning was we're not sure. And the island of Samui was first settled by fishermen from China and Malaysia, and they have records back to about 15 centuries ago.
That's great.
But in the meantime, it's especially in the last 30 years, it's been developing more and more, and now it is a beautiful vacation spot and a place for local Thais to live. People, expats from around the world, they have all price ranges here, like from super luxury all the way down to very simple Thai cultural living and cuisine. It's an amazing place, and we've really started to love it here.
Ciao. Sometimes you may wonder, where is this beautiful island?
Yes.
Right?
Nobody's really heard of it too much.
Well, not our friends from way back in Canada, but it's located in the Gulf of Thailand. Samui is the second largest island next to Phuket. It only has about 228 square kilometers of space. That's it. And you can drive around it in about 3 hours, no problem. But take a day, look at all the different places, plan your day. You can easily get back to your spot in one day. And in 2018, before COVID, yes. 2.7 million tourists came.
I think it's not quite up that high at this point again, but it's getting back.
It's getting back there. So that's where it's located. We'll show that to you in pictures as well. Joan just pointed out to me that the flights, it's about an hour south of Bangkok.
Short flight.
And about 2 hours north of
Singapore. Yeah, we've taken.
That's where it is. And we'll show you on the map too is where it's located. It's wonderful, and the weather is always the same. Included for you if you want to go squidding at night. It's called Siam Island Hopper Guide, and you can book this type of island night fishing at any hotel or whatever. If you're into that type of thing, we've included it, and we took it from their websites. And we're just promoting them a little bit because we think it's a good thing to do, right?
Right. Yeah. And basically, you can go. It's something that you can. It starts at about 7 o'clock at night, and you're all finished by about midnight.
And you don't have to be you can be a novice. You can be a kid. They'll teach you how to do this squid fishing in a second.
And you'll catch lots of squid, and then they barbecue the squid.
On
the boat. Yeah. That's all included in this.
That's
in
right.
This whole thing.
Yes.
We talked to Vince, our manager here, and he said that he's been on the.
What he did is he says we can go and just book right straight with the fishermen. You don't have to go through any of this stuff.
Right, and they just they'll just take you.
Yeah.
So, but if you're in the know, then you can do it that way.
You bring your own beers.
Yeah. Your own beer, and they'll
they barbecue the squid,
and Vince was saying that you can even have the sashimi sliced up raw and dip it in these sauces. Garlic, chili, lime, fish sauce.
That's sashimi.
We had it here the other day, and it's fabulous.
Yeah, you bring your own beers.
Yeah.
Now this particular unit with this booking, if you book with these people, it's about between 600 and 700 baht per person,
right?
Which is like 600 would be
about $25, no?
About $25 Canadian.
20 US.
20 US.
18.